Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy for November. And let's just dive right in. And here is the bag. Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It's $12 and you get 5 or 6 deluxe samples, sometimes full-size items, and a bag every month for $12. And typically it's a really good deal. You get to try new products. I like the sample size because you can travel with them. And I also use the sample sizes and use them up, and I don't run out of stuff. So I don't know, I feel pretty good about that. And you do get other things that are full size too. So this is this month's bag. And the first thing is this brush here. And it says it's Vasanti Angled Concealer Detailer. So I could definitely use that as an under eye concealer brush, because I have a brush now that is not that shape that I use, and I think that might be a good shape. Let me take the paperwork here. I don't know. The card that comes in there. It says be present for November. There's some ads for other things you can get on the back. It says there's some holiday deals, and they're having some kind of sale event November 27th and 30th, and you have to be subscribed to Ipsy for that. And this is everything in today's bag. And I'll just go ahead and start pulling items out. So the first thing is this yellow thing, Glow Recipe, Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, Calming and Hydrating. So if this is a calming cream, that'll definitely come in handy. I use calming creams anytime my face is irritated by anything. If I have a reaction to something, which is rare. My skin doesn't react to a lot of things, but there's a couple things that it does. Or if, you know, I've been wearing makeup a long time and then I scrub it off, or I don't know, sometimes your face just needs a little bit of calming, and I like that. So I'm going to try this Glow Recipe. I've tried other moisturizers from Glow Recipe that I've liked, so this Banana Souffle. I'm going to try to smell it and see what it smells like. Okay, I can't I can't smell it. I'm a long hauler. I have COVID nose, and so I can't smell that at all. I've been getting my smell back. I think I've been getting better, but yeah, nope, can't smell that one. Okay, Curl Keeper Liquid Styler Frizz Free Curls. That is something that I can definitely use. It says it frizz control in all weather conditions. We'll see about that, Curl Keeper. We'll see. I have yet to find something that you know, gives me complete frizz control or makes me frizz free. I have tried items that work pretty well to tame my hair for a short while. But yeah, I'm always up for trying new anti-frizz products because yeah, this hair of mine does frizz and needs a little help sometimes. Okay, the next thing in here is Brow Chow Brow Definer. Oh! Oh my goodness, that is so cute. A little brush for your brows. I have spoolies that I use, or I have one with a spoolie that I use, that I'm currently using, and that I think I'm getting kind of close to being out. So this is a dual end smudge proof, sweat proof brow pencil. Stays put all day, and made with love, vegan, cruelty free. deep brunette. Okay, so there's the pencil right there. And then here's the little brush. It's cool. I've never had a brush like that before. So I definitely will be using this next after my current brow product is gone. And then the last thing in here, ooh, Moon Jelly. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Moon Jelly. I do like Anastasia Beverly Hills. Well, that's pretty. I still do have a couple glosses like this with the iridescent sparkle. That I'm going through right now. It's like a purple to pink blue shift, and it's really pretty. Yeah, I still have one that I'm going through, but that'll be the one I use next. And that is everything in an Ipsy bag. Do you get Ipsy? Are you thinking about getting Ipsy? Do you have the more expensive ones? And what do you think of those? I would like to know, because I've never decided to just go for it because I feel like the $12 one is a good value. I don't know if the more expensive ones would be a good value or not. What do you think? That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.